Are you insane? Are you all right?
Yes, I am. I did not hit a tree.
She's okay.
Oh, I am.
Is she all right?
And I am so sorry.
You okay?
I am.
Yeah, it's a miracle you didn't hit any of those tree trunks.
Yeah, I'm really good. What?
It said it's a miracle you didn't hit one of those trees.
Did not hit a tree.
Jesus Christ.
You just shaking up? You okay?
We almost hit head on. She had to go into the woods. And I couldn't stop, I was going, at speed.
I seen something go sailing.
Well, they were riding two abreast, that's the blind corner there, and they came right out of nowhere, I didn't have time to react,
I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
That's alright,
I did not hit a tree.
Okay.
I ducked. I think you said duck.
Okay,
Something.
yeah. As long as you're alright.
Okay.
All good?
It's a dangerous place here.
Be careful.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, that was a close call.